So, we're still several months away from the official reveal of Google's Pixel 10 Pro Fold, the next evolution in the company's foldable smartphone lineup. With two book-style foldables already under its belt, the Pixel Fold and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, Google now has its sights set on the future. The first-gen Pixel Fold was far from perfect, plagued by thick bezels, a hinge that refused to sit flat, and hardware that felt more like an experimental prototype than a refined product. However, Google made huge strides with the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, delivering a sleeker design, improved usability, and a foldable that could genuinely compete with Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 6. Now, the big question is, will the Pixel 10 Pro Fold build upon this momentum, or will it be a minor refresh? Google hasn't committed to an annual release schedule for its foldables, but the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is rumored to debut in August 2025, with a likely September launch. While last year's model introduced major design upgrades, reports indicate that Google isn't planning any drastic aesthetic changes this time around. The Pixel Fold series may have finally settled into a long-term design strategy, meaning future models will focus more on refinements rather than complete redesigns. That's not necessarily a bad thing. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold already delivers a premium experience with flat metal edges, a Gorilla Glass Victus back, symmetrical bezels, and a square aspect ratio. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold is expected to maintain this design language while bringing one notable internal upgrade, Google's next-gen Tensor G5 chip. The TSMC-built 3nm chip should offer improvements in efficiency and thermal performance. But according to leaker Chunven, it will likely deliver only modest AI processing enhancements, an area where Google continues to invest heavily. Perhaps the most surprising shift in the Pixel 10 series is Google's decision to ditch Qualcomm and Samsung modems in favor of MediaTek's unreleased T900. MediaTek, often associated with budget-tier processors, is now stepping into flagship territory with its new 5G modem, which could pose a challenge to Qualcomm's long-standing dominance in the Android market. So what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 10 Pro Fold? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.